Okay, so here's how the process works so I can put it back together. Belt goes there, drives the arbor across all the way to saw arbor over there. That wheel there goes and bears. This goes, you pull back on the handle, get the wheel there, or through the twisted belt. Key element twisted, drives this one. You can press, and that drives that little gear there, which then drives the big one that's connected over to the drum. And we've got off of that, we've got the twisted belt down, and that drives our sawdust elevator. So it shouldn't be too bad to move. That big bull gear doesn't come off with it, so that's all right. Okay, so this is a system to automatically back off the carriage. So I knocked over the box, but basically that with the banding can come forward when it's kicked with this. Okay. Now, how that works then is, see that wheel down there? That comes up, engages with the teeth on that, and then pulls back the whole of the carriage. So it's an automatic return function, which is actually very, very cool. Cable's wrapped the following way. Top one, top link, is loose. The bottom one comes from the back pulley, is wrapped around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, exits below, goes around, and that'll be what goes to the far end of the pulley. Here's how the chain goes back from the drum, down under the carriage, through this cross piece that's got a ratchet here that hasn't been used, and over to the front around, and we've got the cable coming out through there. So